If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. After customizing a standard report in QuickBooks Online, you can save the customizations so you won't need to recreate them again. To save a customized standard report in QuickBooks Online that you have run, click the Save Customization button that appears in the upper right corner of the report you customized to show a drop-down menu. Type a custom report name into the Custom Report Name field in the drop-down menu. To add this report to an existing customized report group, use the Add this report to a group drop-down to select the name of the report group. Alternatively, to create a new report group if needed, click the adjacent Add New Group link to add a new group name field to this drop-down menu. Type a name for the new report group into this field and then click the adjacent Add button. Report groups let you save the reports in the group as a single PDF or email the reports in the group to people on a regular basis. To share this report with others, use the Share With drop-down to select either All or None. If not shared, a customized report only appears when you are logged into QuickBooks Online Plus. If desired, to share the report's customized report structures but not its data with others in the QuickBooks Online community, check the Share Reports with Community checkbox. When finished, click the Save button in the drop-down menu to save the customized report. To find saved customized reports, click the Reports link in the navigation bar. Then click the Custom Reports tab in the page that opens to the right. Your saved customized reports and, if created, report groups appear in a list on this page. Reports saved into report groups appear indented below the name of the report group in this same list. To expand and collapse the listing of reports in the report group, click the report group's name. To run one of these reports, click its name within the list. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.